students, good morning to all. Today I will take your class, mathematics class. Topic is your rational numbers. That means we have to know what is rational number. First, we have to know what is numbers. What is numbers? Then we have to know types of numbers. Then come to your topic, rational numbers. First, what is numbers? It is a mathematical object used to count and measures. That means for counting or measuring we use numbers. Okay? Then definition of numbers is a mathematical object used to count and measures. Then with numbers, a word also comes numerals. What is the difference between numbers and numerals? Here number is an idea and numerals is a notation or symbols or names that represents a number is known as numerals. जो नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करता हो, नेम देता हो, उसे हम न्यूमरल्स बोलते हैं. नंबर एक आइडिया है. एक एग्जाम्पल लूँगा. ऑन एग्जाम्पल, I have a pack of 10 chocolates. I have a pack of 10 chocolates. That means here the number of chocolates is 10. And for that idea, the numerals of that idea are chocolates. That means that represents the number of chocolates each 10 or en 10. Then we conclude that a notation or symbol or a name that represents a number is known as numerals. Then similarly, another example, 10, 13 or 40 are numerals. Then come to types of numbers. Types of numbers. First, for counting, to count the objects, number of people, number of books, number of classrooms, we use some numerals or numbers or idea. Then first, for counting numbers, for counting objects, we have natural numbers also known as counting numbers. This is for to count, and those are represented by capital N starting from 1, 2, 3 onwards. There is no negative numbers to count. Only for count we use only positive numbers simply. Then again whole numbers, you write all the things, all the notes in your copy. Whole numbers, नेचुरल नंबर को एक्सटेंड किया गया. एक्सटेंड करते हुए उस पर एक एक्स्ट्रा जीरो, जहाँ पे कुछ ना हो, उसे नोटेशन करने के लिए जीरो आता है. दैट मीन्स होल नंबर contains 0 with all the natural numbers. That means there is no end whole numbers, also there is no end natural numbers. Then again integers. This is represented by I or Z. I for integers and Z for Jahlen. That word come from the Germanic word. Okay, Jahlen is a Germanic word. Then integers. Integers whole number is extend negative numbers. That means integer contains 0, all positive numbers and all negative numbers. Okay, there is no first positive number, that means there is no first integers and no last integers. Okay, but first then come to rational number. Another type of numbers is rational numbers, that is denoted by Q. Okay, you know in 6th class, also 7th class, also 4 and 5 class, fractions. What is the difference between fractions and rational number? First, also definition of fraction: a number that in the form of P by Q or P upon Q. P upon Q, where P and Q both are, that means belongs to, P and Q both belongs to whole numbers, and Q not equal to 0. In fractions, upper part is numerator and lower part is, upper part is numerator, lower part is denominator. What is the difference between rational number? First, what is rational number? Also a number that in the form of P by Q, P and Q belongs to integers, where also Q not equal to 0, that means denominator is not equal to 0. What is the difference between the rational number and fractions? Here numerators and denominators both are present, P by Q, P upon Q. Here P and Q both are whole numbers, condition is both are whole numbers, and here rational number is also in the form of P by Q and P and Q belongs to integers. That means in rational numbers negative is there. Okay, but here fraction only positive numbers and 0 is there. Example, we can write 2 by 3. 2 is positive or whole number, 3 also whole number. 0 by 4, 6 by 7, but we cannot write 1 by 0, 3 by 0, because our conditions is denominator is not equal to 0. That means those are not fractions. Okay, then come to our topic, rational number. What is the definition of rational number? The numbers which are in the form of P upon Q, P and Q belongs to integers. Condition is belongs to integers and Q not equal to 0. For example, we can write 2 by 3. Here write 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is also fraction. Here 2 by 3 is also rational number, but minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 is a rational number, is not a fraction. That means there is no negative in fraction. Only we use for numerator and denominator whole numbers. Then 4 by -7, etc. This is the definition of rational numbers. Then some notes are there. You write the some notes. First write definition of rational number. You write positively. Definition of rational numbers. A number is called a rational number. A number is called a rational number if it can be expressed in the form P upon Q where P and Q belongs to I, where P and Q belongs to I, then and Q not equal to 0, and write some examples. 2/3, -4/3, 7/6, 0/2, etc. Okay. Then write the collection of all rational numbers. Write collections of all rational numbers is denoted by capital Q. The collection of all rational numbers is denoted by capital Q, and write every and each natural numbers whole numbers, integers or belongs to natural number, all natural numbers, whole numbers and integers belong to rational numbers, belong to rational number. Then another point, if, listen first, an example, -2/3, again 2/3, -2 by -3 and 2 by -3. Here numerator is negative, denominator is positive, both are positive, here both are negative, and here denominator only negative. That means there is a negative integer, there is also a negative integer. Those rational numbers that have only a negative, that rational number is known as negative rational number. If both are positive or both are negative, that is positive rational number. Then come to standard form of a rational number. Standard form of a rational number. First you write the notes. A rational number P by Q. A rational number P upon Q is said to be in the standard form. Is said to be in the standard form. If its denominator is a positive integer, that means condition is standard form of a rational number. First condition, denominator is positive integers. Denominator is a positive integer. And another thing is there are two conditions. First condition is denominator is positive integers, and another thing is P and Q are co-primes. What do you mean by co-primes? There is no another factor except 1. That numbers is known as co-primes. That means P and Q have no factors other than 1. P and Q, that means HCF of highest common factor. HCF of P and Q, here P and Q are two integers, each 1. That means there is no common factor except 1 of P and Q. Take some examples. Minus 3 by 4. Another examples, 3 by minus 4 and 3 by 12. 3 by minus 12. First example, here we will check the conditions. First condition is Q belongs to positive integers. That means denominator is a positive integer. Here denominator is 4, also positive integer. Another condition is P and Q are co-primes. Here that means there is no common factor between 3 and 4. Also here 3 and 4 are two co-primes. That means there is no common factor between numerators and denominators. That means this is a standard form of the given rational number. Then another, here minus 4 is negative integer. That means this is not in standard form of rational numbers. Then we have to convert it into standard form of रैशनल नंबर, अगर तुम्हें रैशनल नंबर दिया गया हो, वो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म पे अगर ना हो, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू चेक द कंडीशंस। अगर ना हो, उसे कन्वर्ट करने जब दिया होगा, या तुम्हारा अगर कन्वर्ट ना हो, ऐसे तुम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो, सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे हो, अगर नेगेटिव नंबर्स नीचे आया है, तुम जब आंसर निकालो, आंसर जब निकालोगे, लास्ट में तुम्हारा काम है क्या करना है, वी हैव टू राइट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इन दैट numbers. Okay, standard form we convert into, there is a negative, okay, we can divide -1, also you can multiply -1, we can divide -1, also we can divide also we can multiply -1, -3 divided by minus plus -3/4. Okay, then condition is satisfied. Here 4 is positive number, denominator is positive integer, and numerator that may be. Then next 3/12. Here 3/12 both are positive. First condition is denominator is positive integer. The first condition is satisfied. Then another thing is P by Q, that means numerator and denominators are co-primes. Here 3 and 12 there is a common factor except 1. That means here HCF of 3 and 12 each 3. That means there is another common factor in between numerators and denominators. Then here it is not in standard form. We have to convert it into standard form. 3/12. 3/12 we divide the HCF. We divide the HCF 3 1/4. 3 divided by 3, also in denominator 12 divided by 3, 1/4. 1/4 is in the standard form of the 3/12. Then another thing, here also there is two negatives, -3 -12, and 3 and 12. Here there is another common factor in between 3 and 12 except 1. Then we can convert it by dividing -4 -3, because HCF of 3 and 12 is 3. Minus plus 3/3, 1 divided by 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, those are the conditions of the standard form, and some examples are there. Then another example of standard form. Another example, 36 by -24. First condition is denominator is positive integers, but here negative integer, and second condition is there is no common factor in between numerator and denominator, but here HCF of 36 and 24 is equal to, you can factorize 2. That means here HCF is 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 12. But here there are some common factors in between 36 and 24. First we have to convert it into standard form. form, we divide HCF of 36 and 24, 12 divide, also in denominator divide 12, but there is a negative number. To leave negative, we take minus 12 in denominator, also numerator. Here minus 3 divided by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is the standard form of 36 divided by minus 24. Then another thing, equivalent equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. Write a note. Equivalent rational numbers are numbers that have the same value but are represented differently. That have the same value but are represented differently. 2 by 3. Take on example 2 by 3. 4 by 6, 8 by 12, so on. Here 2 by 3, we will write or multiply in both in both numerator and denominator by 2. 4 by 6, that means those are same value represented differently. Here 2 by 3, that means there are integers 2 and 3 and there are integers 4 and 6. That means in equivalent form 2 by 3 is in the equivalent to 4 by 6 because those value of those are same but represented differently. Okay, then for again 2 by 3 you can multiply by 4, 8 by 12. Here also 2 by there are two different integers in two rational numbers 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3, 2 and 3 are integers. Here 8 by 12, 8 and 12 are integers. That means here 2 by 3, here 2 by 3 and 8 by 12 are same. That means value of 2 by 3 and 8 by 12 is same and represented differently here. That means what is the difference? What is the definition of equivalent or conditions of equivalent rational numbers? Condition is equivalent rational number are the numbers that have same value but represented differently. Here those are same values 2 by 3, 4/6, 8/12 are same values but represented differently. Then come to absolute value of rational numbers. Absolute value of rational numbers. Example is, suppose absolute value of denoted by mod, or you can say mod of -1/2, or absolute value of 1/2, also -1/-2. Those are examples. Absolute value of -1/2, you read as absolute value of -1/2. Condition is, for absolute value of a rational number is numerical value regardless of its sign. That means absolute value of a rational number is on regardless of its sign. That means there is no sign for absolute value of the rational numbers or any numbers. Okay. Absolute value of 1/2, there is negative. That also the absolute value of -1/2, also 1/2. Positive, there is positive rational number, also regardless of sign. Also the value of absolute value of 1/2, also 1/2, and minus plus, also this is also positive rational numbers. Okay, the absolute value of positive rational number also 1/2. Then come to comparison of rational numbers. How to compare the rational numbers? You already know how to compare a natural number, how to compare a integers. हम लोग स्टैंडर्ड 1 से पढ़ते हुए आए हैं, कंपेयर करते हुए लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन, इक्वल टू साइन हम यूज करे हैं. लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल टू साइन हम यूज करे हैं कंपेयर करते हुए. सपोज 2, 3, 2 इज लेस देन 3, 4 -4, 4 is greater than -4 because all the positive numbers is greater, or all the positive integer is greater than all the negative number. Similarly, we can compare the rational numbers. Suppose take an examples 1/2, 1/3. Those are also rational numbers. 1/2 is a rational number, 1/3 is a rational number, but there are two positive rational number. हम लोग आगे से फ्रैक्शन पढ़े हैं, हम इसे फ्रैक्शन भी बोल सकते हैं. फ्रैक्शन के कंडीशन में दो रैशनल नंबर आ रहे हैं, फ्रैक्शन हम बोल सकते हैं. फ्रैक्शन का कंडीशन क्या था? अगर तुम्हारा डिनोमिनेटर दो सेम हो, इफ two denominators are equal, then the greater numerator having the greater fraction. Here also can take that condition also. Here also numerator are same, numerators are same. फ्रैक्शन में जो कंडीशन हो रहा था, न्यूमरेटर्स अगर दो सेम होंगे, डिनोमिनेटर जो छोटा होगा वो क्या होगा? दैट फ्रैक्शन को हम ग्रेटर कर रहे थे. रैशनल नंबर पे भी तुम ऐसे कर सकते हो, अगर तुम्हारा न्यूमरेटर दो सेम है, डिनोमिनेटर जो छोटा होगा, दैट रैशनल नंबर ऑल्सो गेटर होगा. ओके, बट इफ देयर आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स 2/3, 4/5, here numerators are different and denominators are also different. In this case, we can multiply, that means cross multiply, to numerator of first rational number into denominator of second rational number, and then numerator of second rational number into denominator of first rational number. 2 into 5, 10, 4 into 3, 12. Here 12 is, you write 12 is greater than 10 or 10 is less than 12. In 10 the numerator of first rational number is present. Okay, that means ये जो तुम्हारा दो मल्टीप्लाई है, ओके, आंसर निकला है, इनमें से जो तुम्हारा छोटा होगा, छोटा पे जो स्मॉल होगा, स्मॉल पे जो तुम्हारा न्यूमरेटर होगा, उसी न्यूमरेटर पे तुम्हें क्या देखना है, वो न्यूमरेटर कौन सा है, कौन सा रैशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर वो है. हियर 10 इज लेस देन 12. 10 पे कौन सा न्यूमरेटर पे है, यहाँ पे 2 किसका है, फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर का. दैट मीन्स दैट रैशनल नंबर इज ऑल्सो लेस देन द सेकेंड. 2/3 is less than 4/5. Then another example, here both are positive. Then another example, a positive on comparison between a positive 2/3 minus 4/5. Positive rational number and negative rational number. Here positive rational number, we know all the positive integers is greater than the negative. Also here you can take that rule, all the positive rational numbers is greater than the negative rational numbers. Then another example, minus 2/3 minus 4/5. There are two negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. Here we have to first omit the negative sign. You take simply positive 2/3 and 4/5. Cross multiply it. 2 into 5, 10. 4 into 3 equal to 12. 10 is less than 12, but there are negative signs. That means 2/3 is less than 4/5, but there are negative signs. For negative sign, it will be changed. Minus 2/3 is greater than minus 4/5. Only for negative signs, there are two negative signs. Only for negative signs, it changes into comparison notation. Okay. Minus 2/3 is greater than minus 4/5. You simply omit the negative signs. Then you can cross multiply the numerators of first and denominators of second. Then numerator of second into denominator of first, you check the answer which is smaller or which is greater. The 10 is here, 10 is less than 12, 10 is less than 12, that means 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is less than 4 by 5, and there are two, next there are two negative signs. For negative signs is changed into greater than. Okay, minus 2 by 3 is greater than minus 4 by 5. Example, an example, arrange some rational numbers in ascending orders. Minus 1 by 5, then 3 by 10, 0, 7 by 15, and minus 6 by 10. Minus 1 by 5, 3 by 10, 0, 7 by 15 and minus 6 by 10. There are some rational numbers. We have to arrange these in ascending orders. In ascending order. हमारे बुक पे एग्जाम्पल है इलिस्ट्रेशन 5 पे, बोथ असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग पे दिया है. मैं यहाँ पे तुम्हें असेंडिंग पे समझा रहा हूँ, देन तुम खुद इसे डिसेंडिंग पे करके चेक करना है. सम एग्जाम्पल्स होमवर्क दूंगा, तुम लोग अपने नोट्स पे करके रखना है. लिसन हियर सम रैशनल नंबर्स. Rational numbers, that means here 5 rational numbers. We have to arrange it. First simply हम जैसे फ्रैक्शन को LCM लेके उसका डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम कर रहे थे, दैट मीन्स लाइक फ्रैक्शन पे कन्वर्ट कर रहे थे, देन कंपेयर कर रहे थे. बिकॉज और जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया, न्यूमरेटर जो गेटर होगा हम वो फ्रैक्शन को गेटर बोल रहे थे. दैट कंडीशंस यहाँ भी वही उसे अप्लाई करना है. माइनस 1 by 5, then another is 3 by 10, another is 0, then 7 by 15, then minus 6 upon 10. We convert those rational numbers into like rational numbers. That means first we have to find LCM of denominators 5, 10, 15, 10. Find or factorize those denominators 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, then 2, 1, then 3. That means LCM is 2 into 3 into 5, 30. 2 into 3 into 5 equal to 30. Equal to 30. Now we convert those rational numbers with denominator 30. 0 can write in the form of 0 by 1, 7 by 15, then minus 6 by 10. Minus 1 by 5, convert it into denominator 30. 5 into 6, 6 minus 6 by 30. Then 10, convert into 30. 3 into 3, 9 divided by 30. Then 0, also you can write 0 by 1, 1 convert into 30 into 30, 0 by 30. Then 15 convert into 30, 14 by 30. Then 3 minus 18 by 30. Now those rational numbers are converted into like rational numbers. Minus 6 by 30, 9 by 30, then 0 by 30, 14 by 30, then minus 18 by 30. Now compares those rational numbers. You write in your copy positively. Here we have to arrange those rational numbers in ascending order. That means smaller to greater, or that means increasing order. First, here all the denominators are equal, then the greater numerator having greater fraction, or having greater rational numbers. Here greater numerator is 14 by 30, 14 by 30, then 9 by 30, then 0 by 30, because 0 is greater than all the negative integers, then minus we convert it into ascending order, smaller to greater. Smaller is minus 18 by 30, then minus 6 by 30, then 0 by 30, then 9 by 30, then 14 by 30, because all the negatives are smaller than 0 and positive integers. We have to arrange in ascending orders. Minus 18 is smaller, then minus 6, then 0, then 9, then 14. Okay, only see all the numerators. Okay, already we compare those rational numbers into ascending orders. Okay, but our questions are minus 18 by 30. Minus 18 by 30 is for minus 6 by 10. Then minus 6 by 30 is for minus 1 by 5. Then 0 by 30 is for 0. Then 9 by 30 is for 3 by 10. Then 14 by 30 is for 7 by 15. This is your answer. That means minus 6 by 10 is less than minus 1 by 5, then is less than 0, is less than minus 1 by 5, is less than minus 6 by 10. Okay? Stop here. ना चलियो ना चलती मैंने हेगला कि हाँ मैंने हाँ अच्छी तो से चैप्टर तो सर ना एक जोड़ी कह मुझे स्टॉप कर एक मैंने ये गोटे ए सर कहीं बड़ चैप्टरटा अच्छे ना पुणी नेक्स्ट क्लास रे ओके ओके अब ये इतना रहने दो। कंपैरिजन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर याद रखना, तुम्हारा इस क्लास में लास्ट कंपैरिजन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स। ओके, रैशनल नंबर तक है, यहाँ तक तुम्हारा रहा है। तुम्हारा बुक के पेज 9 तक वहीं तक तुम्हें बताया हूँ। नेक्स्ट क्लास पे तुम्हें बताऊँगा। नेक्स्ट क्लास में विल डिस्कस द ऑपरेशंस ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स। operations of rational numbers. Operations of rational numbers we will discuss in your next class. Okay, you can do the exercise 1.1. you can try exercise 1.1 number 1 2 also 3 also 3 4 5 you will do in your copy. Also 6 you will do in your copy number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I will Okay, we will discuss in your another class operations of rational number. Okay, thank you.